Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make the best ever bread and potato recipe using air fryer. Yes, so less oil used and it is the perfect bread recipe ever. So let's see how to make this. Please do watch step-by-step method so that you don't miss any tips here. Here I'm taking 2 boiled potatoes and mash it well. So you can see using a masher, we are mashing it. Also, if you are new to my channel, please click on that subscribe button and the bell button. So whenever there's a new video from me, you'll get the notification first. Here I'm adding green peas. These are frozen green peas. So it's already cooked. You can just add here. These are corns. So half cup of each, and this is butter, 1/4 butter and onion, small half onion are chopped and mixed together and adding to this mix. So 1/4 butter, melted butter plus onion, half small onion chopped. Now add salt here. Here I'm adding red chili powder, you can add cayenne pepper. This is coriander and cumin seed, dry roasted and powdered. Coriander seed and cumin seed, dry roasted and powdered. Now I'm adding half teaspoon of chicken masala. This is a very nice flavored masala that we get in all Indian grocery store. Eastern brand chicken masala I normally use for most of my cooking. So it gives a very good flavor to the recipe that we are making. So here I am taking 5 bread. Cut all the 4 corners like this. Don't throw it away, we will use it. We will powder that using a blender for the bread coating that we're going to do last. So you can see how. Here we are just cutting all the 4 corners of the bread. Now you can see it's all cut. I've powdered the 4 corners of the breads all together in a blender and it is finely powdered. You can see at last. This is what we are going to use to powder. So here make a shape like this with the mashed potato mix that we created using a hand. Now we are going to soak the bread in the water like this. Don't over soak it or put it deep inside, the breads will break. Use both hands to squeeze out the water like this, just press it gently. Now place the potato roll that we created like this and close it. This bread is enough, we don't need to add any extra bread to cover it up. We can just cover each corners like this and make sure the potato is not visible. So here you can see, use both hands and close all the corners. Just cover it up so that the potato is not visible outside. Bread is still wet and we have gently squeezed out the water. So it's not too much water also. So here I am showing you again how to do it. Soak the bread. Make sure it's not dry at all, it has to be wet. And squeeze the water out. Place a potato like this and cover it up. Nicely cover it and give it an oval shape. So it's done. You can look at the shape, how it is, how good it has formed. It's covered nicely. Now we will take each bread rolls like this and dip it on this is that 4 corners that I said we will powder it. We are dipping each inside it like this. Breadcrumbs, these are the breadcrumbs. So with just 2 potato and 5 bread, we are making a delicious recipe. An air fryer. You will be amazed to see how gorgeous it comes out. Now brush the basket. I always brush olive oil on the basket or any cooking oil or butter you have. So here you can see how we are putting the breadcrumbs on the bread rolls. So here we are just drizzling little oil on top like that. We are not brushing it. If we brush, the breadcrumbs will fall off. So we don't want that to happen. Just add little oil like that. It's optional. If you want, you can, or else you can just leave it like that. It still will be crispy. So set the temperature at 370 degree Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. So this, I opened the basket after 10 minutes and I'm going to drizzle little oil once again, which is not needed, but still I just tried to do it and it turned out good. I want little brown crispy on top, so I am putting oil here. Just drizzle. You need not flip the bread rolls here. We are not flipping anyways. So you can see after 15 minutes it turned out like this. I want little more brown, so I will put 3 more minutes extra. So in total 18 minutes for that perfect gorgeous looking bread rolls. So you can see, so it's the bread are little fluffier now. Look how beautiful it looks. It's perfectly done. Perfect crisp and fluffy bread rolls are ready. 370 degree Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. If you want little more brown like this, you can add 3 more minutes. 18 minutes in total, and you can see how beautiful they look. Enjoy this bread roll with tomato ketchup. You can be more creative here. Add as many vegetables you would like to add, like zucchini, eggplant, whatever. Just dice it, cut it into small pieces and fill it inside the bread like that. Mash and add it with a mashed potato and create a delicious air fried recipe ever. So look how delicious it looks. It smells so good right now with all the perfect blend of spices and the crispy bread. The best ever bread roll in air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this video recipe. See you soon with new recipe again. Till then, bye bye, take care.